Hello again, lovely dot clubbers, and welcome back for another fun dot club unboxing video for April's dot club dots in both colors. I cannot wait to unbox them with you, so go grab your dot club box and let's do it together. Also, if you're watching this and you're not an active dot club member, girl, it's time to join the fun. There are so many benefits to being a dot clubber, like exclusive jewelry every month. You get to pick between two color choices, so you know you're gonna love the design you're gonna get. And then also the design is a surprise, so you get fun surprises. Not only with that, but we also have dot club bonuses that come out every 25th of the month and allow all the dot clubbers that are active to get it and get this exclusive piece of jewelry or accessory. So that is always so much fun and definitely a great bonus for the club. And then we also have this wonderful community of women who are encouraging each other and cheering each other on with fun girlfriend talk and all things dots. So make sure to join it. Even pause this video now so you don't miss out on another month of exclusive jewelry. So let's get into the unboxing. And if you're watching this and you have a dot club box coming, but it is not there yet and you want to be surprised, pause this and come back and unbox it with me once you have it, because I don't want you to miss out on the surprise of it, because I'll be showing both colors on camera. So we don't want you to miss out. So just pause it and then come back when you get your box. So as you can see, I love the box. It's so much fun. It has like all the watercolor dots all over it, and then like at the front where you open it, it has the Style Dots logo. So it's just such a cute package. And then when you get in, we have this fun ride-along card that gives you a really cute inspirational quote on the front, as well as a promotion calendar on the back telling you all of the upcoming dates and sales and events just coming up around the corner, so you can add those to your calendar and not miss out on any of the fun coming up just around the corner. So this month's card says, "You are so worthy of a beautiful life." I love that. And you are. Also, the floral design is so fun and like cute and pink. And so I love that about it. And then when you get inside, you have this really fun watercolor tissue paper with a Style Out sticker, and I'm all about the stickers, so I love that. And then you open it up, and oh my gosh, this is a fuchsia, guys. It's so gorgeous. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna take it out so we can see it closer. So it has this really fun like floral design. I'm gonna put dot vision on. Has a great like floral design to it that I'm really liking a lot. And that fuchsia, like it's like this bright fuchsia color that really adds to the whole design and gives you a great like refreshing spring look. And like it even goes really well, I think, going into summer as like all the flowers are blooming. I love this metal beaded petal. It's just so gorgeous. And then again, those AB crystals are just sparkling. Like look at the original. It's just stunning. I love this design, especially like with this color. It pulls together so nicely and creates a great combination. So you got this color and you picked this, like you did a great job. This is going to go with so much, and it's going to be so trendy and stylish going into the spring and summer. So this is the fuchsia. That means that the next box is the green. I cannot wait to see the green one. It's going to be so fun, I bet. Okay. So we'll go ahead and open it. And again, you have that awesome ride-along card that I love. And it has a promotion, so make sure to pay attention to those. I'm going to open this up. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, look at this. It's just stunning. I love that mint green enamel. And put dot vision on. Like, look how gorgeous this is. That enamel color is just so much fun. I love the mint green, and to wear mint green in the spring is the perfect like season for it. So it just looks so good, and it's just such a refreshing but like really natural looking color that I just love. And then with those AB crystals, it's just sparkling and just so pretty and fun to look at. And again, I really love these like beaded metal leaves going around it, and they're even beaded on the original, which is so much fun and really adds to the overall design and creates just like a really fun, sparkly and textured look. I'll hold them up side by side so we can kind of like see like the design and like how they look next to each other. Oh my goodness. I love them so much. I really like the floral, and just like they just, again, like I've said, like right now all the flowers are blooming, and so this is the time to wear all your floral patterns. Like even I'm wearing a floral shirt right now because it's the season for floral. And so these dots are going to be so stylish, and then the colors they picked are perfect for this year, and just like adding a little bit of pop and sparkle to your outfit with, again, keeping into the season with that floral design. So these are amazing. And this is April's dots. So if you got them, you did a great job picking your colors, because both of them are amazing and I love them. We also came out with a dot club bonus. Yesterday, we have a Dottie card holder, so it's perfect for your credit cards or your license, just to hold them, and then also sport and use some of our fun watercolor dots and just wear something that kind of exemplifies and shows off all things style dots and gives you a little bit more part of the company with a really fun, cute Dottie case. As well as we have a really awesome program that if you love Dot Club and you want to spread the word, you can earn free jewelry with our referral program, and you can start earning it by just telling one friend and having them be a part of Dot Club for more than 3 months. So learn more about that at styleatshome.com on our Dot Club page, and you can learn how you can start earning free jewelry by just sharing the words. And I will see you next time on the 26th for our next unboxing video. Bye, ladies!